To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. Under How you use Instagram, select Time Management. Here you will find Sleep Mode. Tap on it. Now tap the toggle to turn sleep mode on. Then set the start time for when you want sleep mode to activate. After that, set the end time for when you want sleep mode to deactivate. You can also select the specific days when sleep mode will be active. When you are all done, tap the Save button. That's it. From now on, you will receive a reminder to close Instagram if you use the app during the selected time period. So in this way, you can use sleep mode on Instagram.